go brake at the... That was lovely. You see, the faster they're getting, the quieter I'm getting. But, wow. This feels so much more controllable than you'd think. This is incredible.
Oh my God. The power, it's so usable. One, it's very usable, but the power, the stability, it's all there. Nice. It's epic. Nice. Freaking love these. I love this, man. Again, they have their target market, and I think for what it is, because we were cruising with this super comfortable, just the bucket seats, comfortable, AC on, all that infotainment. For it to do this on the circuit, it's insane, man.
Nice.
But yeah, really happy with the M2.
Nice.